What's up guys, good evening from Malaysia. My name is Vinay Singh and I hope you have a fantastic day. I am going to eat the dinner with my Japanese friend Mokato and we found the Chinese restaurant near to our hostel. It's difficult to pronounce its Chinese language Restaurant Fong Yuan. That's the name, Restaurant Fong Yuan. Look at this couple in front of the restaurant. They are not poor but they want to travel to other countries. So they need the money. I also need the money. Okay, now I'm going to order the vegetarian fried noodles. That's good for me. And another thing I want to order, let's try the rice. It's mixed vegetable rice, vegetarian fried rice. And my Japanese friend Mokato is taking the photo for Instagram and he ordered the non-vegetarian fried rice. This restaurant is awesomely beautifully designed in low expensive cost and they are using the plastic table and chair and these are for my Japanese friend. Well, finally my vegetarian fried rice arrives. It has carrot, mushroom, beans, corns and perfectly fried rice. They did not use the rice like basmati rice which is very popular in India, but they make the rice awesomely good. Let's try. First take the review from my Japanese friend and yes, he liked it. And look at this, how beautiful is each grain of the rice. Well, I can feel each grain of the rice in my mouth because it's very fluffy. Rice are awesome, but each and every vegetable is incredibly fresh. Chopped carrots, that is good for next few bites. Oh yes, it's crazily good. Well, now let's try with the Chinese soya sauce. And yes, definitely the color of rice will be changed from white to little black. Let's mix it very well. Well, I would say it's almost have a hint of soya sauce. That's good. My favorite vegetarian fried noodles arrives. It has green onion, spinach, carrot, sprouts and a very small amount of cabbage. Well, these are very thin noodles and I'm fond of thin noodles. And because I am in the Chinese restaurant and I am with the Japanese friend, so I want to try these noodles with the chopstick, which is also known as waribashi. Well, these noodles has an authentic taste. I love it. Well, these noodles also producing flavor in my mouth because of vegetables. Now I want to taste the noodles with the sprouts which are very long in size. I have never seen anywhere else in the world the combination of noodles and the sprouts. Awesomely tasty. Well, I am a Coca-Cola kind of person. Well, now I want to try something different, the combination of both noodles and the fried rice. Let's see what will be the taste, noodles and the rice. Well, it's so aromatic, you can taste all Chinese food in this one bite. He's the CEO and the founder of this restaurant, the man in the red shirt. Well, finally me and my Japanese friend Mokato finished the Chinese food and this was awesomely tasty. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, press the thumb button and subscribe to my channel for latest videos and click on the bell icon so that you can get the notification first on my next video. God bless you and your family.